Hello crafty friends. Today I have a sweet little card for you, and I made it using supplies that I have in my craft room along with some beautiful pattern paper from this SCT sampler. Now if you subscribe to this kit, you can get it for different months. You can choose a 4-month, an 8-month, or a 12-month subscription. You have to pay the full amount for that, but the more months you subscribe to, the cheaper the price is. Okay, so let's get into the card we're making today. This is an A2 sized card, and I cut it out of some Neenah Solar White 110-pound cardstock. And this pattern paper came from the SCT Sampler, and I cut it down with a scalloped border. And then I used some of my pink vellum to cut these beautiful roses. This is from scrapbook.com dies. These are slimline dies, so they're kind of long, but I'm not going to, make a slimline card today. I'm just going to fold it over my pattern paper. And then here is a beautiful die set that came from, I think this is Creative Expressions, and I'm cutting those 2 flowers out to use as a background for those cute little Doodle-Pops over there on the right side that you can see. And this is a Spellbinders die. It's a small die of the month for December of 2019. You can buy this separately. You don't have to subscribe to the kit as long as they still have them in stock, which I don't know if they do or not. And then these beautiful little pink hearts are also pink vellum, and I used this die. I think that's a Technique Tuesday die called Cascading Hearts. I'll make sure and link everything down below so you can check for that if you're interested. Now, I'm not an affiliate for SCT Sampler. I just decided to subscribe to it, so I'm sharing with you cards that I made with it. And this is not a promotional video for anyone. I bought all these supplies myself. I do have an affiliate link with Spellbinders, just so you know, and Amazon. But this isn't a promotional video. None of the supplies here that you see were sent to me for free. I paid for everything. Okay, so these beautiful flowers here, I just love those. Those are so beautiful. And that's just some pink vellum from Paper Junkie from Amazon. And I'm just adhering everything to my card. This tape adhesive is a Scrapbook Adhesives, and then I'm using some Tombow Mono to put this little rose on. I love that little rose. It's so cute. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really love using all my supplies in my craft room to make things, and I love to make things that are pretty or sweet or beautiful, and it's so much fun to create. So I'm just having a ball with all these different supplies and tools that I have, and I hope that it inspires you to create something that you love as well, and something that your recipient will be happy to get and put a smile on their face. Now, one of the neat things that I discovered when making this card was that in order to adhere these are vellum hearts, and they're translucent, so it's hard to use glue behind them. But since I have a red background and the hearts are pink, I thought if I use this rose gold pops of color from scrapbook.com, you wouldn't be able to see it. And I was right. You can't see it. So nobody knows that that's, it's going to act like an adhesive and hold those hearts there, but you can't see it. So it's perfect. It worked out great. I was so tickled pink over this. So anyway, here are these cute little hearts. Now I'm trying to use an odd number of hearts because our eyes are attracted to odd numbers of things. And I was at first only going to put these hearts at the top. I've got 5 hearts here, but then I decided, you know what, I need to add some to the bottom. I just kind of wanted to carry it all the way through. I mean, you could certainly stop there. That's adorable. You don't have to add any more, but I decided I wanted to. So you'll see that later on. And I'm just using these reverse tweezers here. These are really cool tools. You don't have to apply pressure, and they stay closed. In order for them to open is when you have to squeeze and apply pressure. So that's really nice because it helps you hold those little delicate pieces while you're applying that adhesive to them. And I really do like applying the adhesive in air like this, holding it up, because then when you add that adhesive, if you put it on a piece of paper to apply it, I've learned this the hard way, guys, that adhesive will seep through and it'll get on the top of your die cut piece, and you don't want that. So anyway, and then this little tool is called a katana. Isn't that funny? I always thought a katana was a sword, but anyway. Anyway, that's what they call it. I just call it a picker. But there's my card for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you the next time. And I do have another kit, a card coming. I'll show it to you right here, and that'll be within the next few days. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.